You stand at the edge. In front of you, the unknown. Behind you, everything familiar. Everything safe. Your heart whispers, stay. But something deeper, something you've been ignoring, whispers louder. Jump. Tell me, how long have you been standing at that edge? How many dreams have you buried because fear told you, not yet? Not you. Not now? Today, I'm not here to comfort you. I'm here to tell you the truth no one else will. Fear is not your enemy. Staying safe is. If this message resonates with you, hit that subscribe button right now. Because what I'm about to share will challenge everything you believe about fear. And if you're ready to step into the unknown, drop a comment below and tell me, I'm ready. Let's begin this journey together. Lesson 1. Fear is not a stop sign. It's a compass. Listen carefully. Every time you feel fear, you're standing in front of something important. Fear doesn't show up when you're scrolling mindlessly. It doesn't appear when you're comfortable. Fear appears when you're about to grow, that job interview that terrifies you. That's growth knocking. That conversation you've been avoiding? That's your next level calling. That dream you keep pushing away? That's your purpose waiting, your action. Today, not tomorrow, not next week. Write down one thing you've been afraid to do. Just one. And ask yourself, what's waiting for me on the other side? Lesson 2. The unknown is not empty. It's full of possibility. You know what's terrifying? It's not the unknown. It's staying in a life that feels too small for your soul. You've been telling yourself, at least I know what to expect here. At least it's safe. But here's what you won't admit. Safe is slowly killing you. Every person you admire, every story that inspires you, started with someone saying yes to the unknown. They didn't have guarantees. They didn't have a map. They had one thing, the courage to take one step. Your action, this week, do something you've never done before. It doesn't have to be big. Take a different route home. Start that project. Send that message. Train your soul to embrace the unfamiliar. Before we continue, if these lessons are speaking to you, give this video a like. It helps others who need this message find it. And remember to leave a comment sharing your biggest fear. You're not alone in this. Lesson 3. Regret weighs more than fear. 20 years from now, you won't remember the fear. But you will remember the moment you let fear decide for you. I need you to imagine something. Your future self, gray hair, tired eyes, looking back at today. What do you want them to see? Someone who stayed safe? Or someone who dared? You think fear is heavy? Regret is heavier. Fear says, what if you fail? Regret whispers, what if you never tried? Your action, tonight, before you sleep, tell someone about your dream. Out loud. Make it real. Because the moment you speak it, you can no longer hide from it. Lesson 4. You don't need to be fearless. You need to be brave. Let me tell you a secret. Brave people are afraid too. The difference? They move with the fear. You've been waiting to feel ready. You've been waiting to feel confident. You've been waiting for the fear to disappear. It never will. And that's okay. Because bravery isn't the absence of fear. Bravery is saying, I'm terrified, and I'm doing it anyway. Your action: tomorrow morning, before you think, before you doubt, take one action toward your fear. 5 minutes. That's all. Send the email. Make the call. Write the first sentence. Start before you're ready. So here we are. Back at the edge. I know you're scared. I know the unknown feels like too much. I know every voice in your head is screaming, turn back. But listen to me. On the other side of your fear is the life you dream about at 3 a.m. The person you want to become? They're waiting there. The peace you've been searching for? It's there. The meaning, the purpose, the joy? All of it is on the other side. You don't need to leap. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take one step. Today. Now. This moment. Step into the unknown. Not because you're fearless, but because your dreams are bigger than your fear. You were made for this. Now go prove it. If this message moved you, subscribe to this channel for more truth that will challenge and change you. Hit the like button if you're ready to face your fears. And comment below, tell me one step you're taking today into the unknown. I'll be reading every single one. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Let's step into the unknown, together.